Vacant properties are naturally more susceptible to damages, like from vandalism or fire, because there are no regular occupants to watch over such properties. Insurance companies, therefore, often include vacancy clauses within policies to avoid paying for those increased damages to vacant properties. In Langill versus Vermont Mutual Insurance Company, the First Circuit considered whether a property is vacant for insurance purposes, even if a non-resident regularly visits the property. Grace Langill owned a rental house in Massachusetts. The property was covered by a fire insurance policy through Vermont Mutual Insurance Company. The policy included a vacancy clause that excluded coverage if the property was vacant for more than 60 consecutive days. In February 1999, the long-term tenants who lived in the house moved out. Thereafter, Langill's husband began to refurbish the house. Mr. Langill worked on the house almost every day for 1 or 2 hours around noon each day. He also occasionally went to the house to socialize with friends or smoke in the evenings, and he even spent the night once. The house contained only a few items, such as Mr. Langill's tools, a couple of chairs, and a mattress. During that time, Langill and her husband regularly kept the doors locked and maintained the house's utilities. In May 1999, the house caught fire, and the fire investigator determined that arson was the cause. Vermont Mutual denied Langill's claim for coverage under her fire insurance policy, asserting that the house was vacant when it caught fire and therefore that the vacancy clause precluded coverage. Langill filed suit against Vermont Mutual in the United States District Court for the District of Massachusetts. The district court granted summary judgment in Vermont Mutual's favor, and Langill appealed to the First Circuit.